just when was it did we decide that this was normal? Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Get Well, Live Strong. You know, I have to be honest with you. I'm kind of angry today, and with good reason. I'm really angry that I spent a lot of my life accepting a fate that was not mine. I accepted that I was aging and therefore getting weaker, and it wasn't true. And I'm angry. I can never get that time back. And I'm angry because it's happening to you too. And as I told you in the last video, I've really grown to love and care about all of you, and it's not true. And so today I want to arm you with a roadmap, if you don't mind. And no, you don't have to click off, because I'm not going to tell you a 5-exercise approach that you can go and do when you buy your gym membership. Just 3 simple things. And here they are. Number 1, stop surrendering things that you can rebuild. Notice the things that you've quietly stopped doing. Like you've stopped playing with the grandkids. You've stopped playing with the dog. You've stopped going for walks in the park. You've stopped taking the stairs. Think of those things that you have done, that you have given up, that you have surrendered in your life. And when you get those things firmly planted in the forefront of your mind, this is what I want you to do. Ask this question: can I train this back? Can you train yourself to play with your grandchildren again? Can you train yourself to be able to walk up those stairs again? Can you train yourself to walk through the deep sand at the beach? I'd be willing to bet the answer to that question is yes. But you need to ask it. And once you answer that question, and most assuredly, it will likely be yes, then number 2, you need to start asking your body again to do hard things. I'm not talking about dangerous things. I'm not talking about reckless things. I'm not talking about painful things. But I am talking about hard things. The things that used to be easy, but now they're hard. Ask your body to do those things again. Carry something. Push something. Lift something. Pull something. Sit down. Get up. Sit down. Get up. Sit down. Get up again. Walk up a hill. Get on the floor. Work at getting yourself back up again before you call someone to help you get up off the floor. Lift progressively heavier things. Those things that you couldn't do, lift lighter, then increase it, increase it, increase it. I'm not asking you to do a specific exercise program. I'm not asking you to go through Monday's workout, Tuesday's workout, Wednesday's workout. What I am telling you to do is to make a conscious effort to take back what you have lost. And number 3, from this day forward, from this moment forward, I am asking you, as hopefully now your friend, stop training for exercise and start training for life, your life. Answer this question. What do you want your body to still be able to do? Ask yourself this question. What is it that I want my body to still be able to do? Train for that. Train for that. It'll be different for you than it is for me. But we're talking about your life, your individual life. Even if there's 1 million people watching this right now at this very moment, it's going to be different for everyone. But this is your life, singularly and individually. That's what I'm asking you. That's what you need to answer for yourself. And that's what you need to do. You know, there was one time there was a commercial, and I can't remember what the commercial was even about, but there was a lady who kept screaming, "I'm mad as hell, and I'm not going to take it anymore." Well, you know what? I don't talk like that, but I'm just as mad. I am mad right now. I am mad not at aging. I'm not angry at our bodies. I'm angry at the assumption that decline gets to write the ending simply because another birthday showed up and we put another candle on the ever-increasing inferno on the birthday cake. Because it simply is not true. It's stolen too much of our lives. I'm not going to let it steal any more of my life. I hope that you can see what I'm talking about. I trust that you can, because I trust this has spoken to you. And the videos this week have been very pointed. So I just have one final question for you. Right here, right now, moment of truth. Now that you see it, what are you going to do about it? Hello friends, I'm glad that you stayed to the end and watched this video. If you'd like to connect the dots and complete the story, I suggest that you watch these 2 videos. They'll really help you. Thanks again for watching, and God bless.